Good morning, everyone. So I bought a Ramtons Induction cooker, and this is how the packaging looks like. The Ramtons Induction cooker comes with a free pan inside. I bought it at 9,900 and the delivery was free. You can buy the Ramtons Induction cooker on their website, ramtons.com, or you can buy it on their official page on Jumia. This is how the induction cooker looks like. This is where you place your pan. And if you want to stir fry, you press on the stir fry part. If you want to boil milk, you press on the milk part. If you want to boil water, you press on the water part. It's easy to actually use the induction cooker. So this is how you cook with an induction cooker. You press the stir fry part. If you want to buy the induction cooker, you can buy it on their site, ramtons.com, or you get it at Jumia on the official page. It's actually 9,900 and the delivery is free. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Goodbye.